Welcome to Inside Home at Anchor's Run. We have a new model here called a Peterman II. It's a floor plan that was recently introduced, and we're going to take a quick tour of it and see what we think of it. All right, this is a 3-bedroom on the first floor and additional bedrooms on the second floor. So we'll take a quick tour and see what's going on. Wow. So, pretty impressive. This is the dining room. I think it kind of speaks for itself. These are the guest bedrooms we'll come back to. Let's take a walk down into the main parts of the house. Wow, I would say this is pretty amazing. We have a 2-story, great room. And as you may know with Inside Homes, it doesn't cost any more to heat or cool our houses based on size. So don't be afraid to have this 2-story because it's still very low energy bills. Have the window wall, it's beautiful. Coffered ceiling. We have our eating area. So dining room for the very formal times or when you need more room. Eating area for your day-to-day. And for your, let's just get a quick bite, we have the counter area. Absolutely stunning kitchen. Kitchen features an island, double ovens, cooktop, hood, glass islands at the top. Glass cabinets at the top. Has a wine fridge, just an enormous island, beautiful. Looks like that's a pantry over here. Let's see. Oh, this is a pocket door that is exclusive to the Peterman II. So we have pocket doors not available in any other house for the pantry area. It's very convenient. All right, and I guess the next most important thing to most people becomes the owner's bedroom. Let's take a look at that. Wow, this is pretty enormous. Love it. Love everything about it. Has a tray ceiling. Has transom windows. Has this reading nook with bookshelves built in. I mean, that's a king bed, and really we could run around in circles in here and still have plenty of room. All right, let's take a look into the bathroom area. On our way to our bathroom, I noticed we have I guess what we would call the his closet, typically. That's how I've heard people say it. And then this would be the hers. And as you can see, it's much larger down both sides. And let's look at the bathroom. Bathroom's got a stunning all-glass shower. Private type of toilet area. Nice linen closet for your towels and those type of things. Square double bowl vanity. Just a great layout. My understanding is that there is even an optional bathroom upgrade that takes this and blows it up considerably larger, this particular bathroom. I don't think it was ready in time when we built this model. So this was the standard bath, or not the most premium of baths. All right, let's take a look at the, well, since we're here, we'll take a look at the laundry room area. You can see pretty easily with the laundry room here. A lot of ways to use as a drop zone, along with your washer and dryer would go here. Garage is a garage like every other garage. Not much to see there. So we've pretty much covered the first floor. We're going to go into one of my favorite features called the morning room. What I love about this morning room, and you'll see we have a special display here that illustrates how our windows work. Typically these windows are found only $1 million plus homes, according to the window manufacturer. This morning room is incredible. What a great place to enjoy your coffee. Sit down and read a book. It's just tremendous. Because of these windows that I just mentioned, it stays the same temperature as the rest of the house. It happens to be a 100-degree day today, almost 100 degrees. And here I am in this morning room, and the windows aren't even slightly warm. All right. And the last thing on this first floor is the guest bedrooms. Let's take a look at those. The one guest bedroom was turned into an office, and that's how it's being used. That's an option, to have an office or a bedroom. And the front bedroom is being staged as a bedroom, which it is. And you have your night tables, have a large bed, good lighting, nice double closet. And I guess we got another living closet. And this is the guest bathroom. Glass door shower with tile. That looks really fantastic. You have lots of different choices of how you do that. And that is the first floor. We're going to take a walk up the second floor. One thing I really like about these stairs is they're switchback stairs. It's not just one long flight. When you get to the landing, once again, plenty of light. I mean, it just looks fantastic. We continue up the second half of the flight, and we have a loft area. This loft area is just wonderful. Everything about it. I mean, what a great place to relax. What a great place to let the kids play until dinner's ready, but still be within earshot. Have a nice gaming area. It's hard to beat. They have their workstation area. Can do their homework or whatever they need to do. Let's check out this bedroom. So this bedroom here is a fantastic bedroom. Has two things that I noticed real fast about it. One is it has a spacious closet, as you can see. And the other thing, if I'm guessing correctly, is one of my favorite things. Walk-in storage. So many of our customers are downsizing, and this is the place that you can stick everything that you need once in a while. Christmas decorations, you name it, it can be put in here. Really great area. All right. And it's off a bedroom that's hardly used, and because of the way we insulate and all, you would never even know it's there. And you can see this has a Jack and Jill style bathroom, shared with the loft area. So the person that uses this room can use this bathroom. You can see it's a very spacious bathroom. Also has the square vanity over there. So again, this is useful to come in this door for the people in the loft, and the people in the bedroom can come in the other door. Let's take a look at this. This is pretty fantastic. So it looks like it's a good bedroom for the teenager, maybe. It's got 4 closet doors for access. Very spacious. You can just walk right in all of them. And lots of light once again. Just a great sized bedroom. All right. And that is the second floor. We're going to head back downstairs to, let's see, get a nice picture of that there. We're going to head downstairs to, you also from here can very nicely see the deck and the paver patio area. So there's like a little fire pit down there, and then up top a nice seating area. So we have multiple arrangements you can get there. Multiple configurations, that is. Nice wine rack there. And then we're going to head down to the basement. And you can see these are also switchback steps. And you can get these hardwood. You can get them however you'd like them. And then as you come into this area here, you will see large spacious area. We have a bathroom as soon as you come down. This bathroom is pretty similar to all the rest, but in a convenient spot. Nice tile, nice accents. Little nook there for your hamper for dirty clothes. But obviously, the king here is the bar area. Boy, it looks great, the lighting underneath. There's multiple configurations. Looks like this potential customer decided to work on his golf game a little bit, do some putting. You have access out the back up to a walk upstairs, which we'll take a look at. You have your very warm and comfortable area. Nice tray ceiling, large movie watching area. Got area for gaming or extended seating. Awesome barn style doors that enter into whatever you want to call it. We're calling it a Zoom room right now. I guess it's more like a library, but it is a wonderful room. You can use it however you want. Obviously, we just hired decorators to come in and decorate it, and this is what they did. And then there is another bedroom down here, if this basement configuration is chosen. And you can see it's very spacious. It has the required by law egress window. Not much to say here except for pretty awesome, pretty cool. Would love to be the kid who uses this. And then, oh, nice big closet. That should get most anyone fancy. All right, and we have the support columns covered in stone for decorating reasons. And then out back here, we have the walk upstairs that I had mentioned. And you know, these are optional, depending on the lot and depending on the configuration and all, but does for a real nice job here. And the great thing about this house and its basement is not just that it's huge and spacious, but you didn't give up any storage. First off, we have storage here. Put your quick cases of beer so you can grab them very quickly. Works out extremely well. And then conditioned storage area. In this conditioned storage area, you've got everything that you need for storage. We hang the doors here so that you know, it's easier to get in and out when people are walking around in the model. Obviously, they're not normally there. They're the doors for the other rooms. See the HVAC unit. You can watch our videos to learn out how special they are. And then we have this little utility room over here. And it has all the different wiring, so you can have speaker systems. And it has the on-demand tankless water heater system and the mana block system. And just to take 1 second to tell you about this. You can watch our videos, but I really love this. In most houses, what you have is you have piping that goes from fixture to fixture to fixture to fixture. Problem is, when you turn it on for hot water, it has to empty out all of the pipes in the entire house before you get hot water. With this, it doesn't work that way. There's two main feeds, and then it is ran directly to each fixture. These are your hot, these are your cold, and they are sized based on the item. So if it's maybe on A washing machine, it needs a thick one. If it's a little hand sink, it needs a thin one, for example. You're able with a special tool to turn any of these on or off if you ever needed to. You should not need to, because one of the things that this does compared to standard piping is that this connection is here and then it's at the fixture, let's say the sink. There are no connections in between, and most houses have hundreds of connections in between. And guess where the leak becomes if there is ever a leak? Usually at the connection, because whoever did it, whether they solder, glue, or whatever they use, might be 5 o'clock on the Friday, a little bit of a hurry, you just did 4 other houses, you're doing 250 joints, it's not too hard to miss something. This kind of dummy proofs it. It's just another step of what we do. And I think that's all we need to talk about. You'll notice that the basement has large high ceilings, and it also has a special insulation on the wall that most builders skimp down on, but when you're building a house the way we do from ground up, everything's got to meet a certain standard for the Department of Energy in order to get our certification, and that's part of it. Back into the main finished area, and I want to thank you very much for coming on this tour with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd love for you to reach out to your salesperson and come take a look in person. You can check out every nook and cranny, try out your putting style, see how that works. All right, have a great day.